Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Shop Vac Cyclone is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your home or workshop, designed to tackle everything from fine dust to large debris with its innovative cyclonic separation technology that keeps filters clean and suction strong, ensuring a more efficient and less frustrating cleanup experience every single time. Number 5. Oneida Air Systems DD Deluxe 5 Gallons Dust Collector Kit. Tired of dust and debris clogging your vacuum? This innovative kit uses centrifugal force to capture 99% of airborne particles before they reach your filter, keeping your workspace clean. Our unique neutral vane technology boosts separation efficiency by 20%. This means less fine dust makes it through, protecting your vacuum and improving air quality. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the separator, a 5-gallon bucket, a quick-release lid, caster wheels for mobility, and all necessary hoses and adapters for easy setup. From drywall dust and wood shavings to pet hair and metal fragments, it handles a vast array of materials effectively. It's especially recommended for use on hard floors for the best performance. Stop wasting money on clogged filters and lost suction. This system significantly extends the life of your vacuum's filters, reduces cleaning frequency, and eliminates the need for frequent replacements. Upgrade any shop vacuum, regardless of its make, size, or model. Its versatile 2-inch tapered ports easily secure standard 1.5-inch to 2.5-inch vacuum hose fittings for a seamless integration. What we like. This Cyclone kit is designed to capture 99% of dust and debris before it reaches your vacuum's filter, significantly extending filter life and saving you money on replacements. Its neutral vane technology further boosts separation efficiency. If you have a variety of materials to collect, from wood dust to pet hair, and want to upgrade any shop vacuum, this is a great choice for versatile dust collection. What people say. It separates cyclonically and collects in the bucket. I just finished cutting sheet material from plywood. 8 sheets of plywood cut to make 30 drawers, on poplar runners and 3 4-inch carcass. Drawers are 4-inch-8 and cabinet is 6 feet by 7 feet. From the cutting to size all of the 240 parts going into this project, I collected one 5-gallon bucket of sawdust to the top, and maybe a 5% filled dust bag in the shop vac. I've used this in several different ways and it works perfectly: in the garage for general cleanup of bugs, leaves, dirt, and sand. Directly connected to my sanders, table saw and jigsaw for sawdust chips. In the fireplace to pick up ashes. My wife used it to clean out a dual charcoal gas grill when I wasn't looking, and other than having to clean the greasy residue out of the Cyclone and bucket, it still worked perfectly. Heck, I even used it on my dog in its crate to pick up a ton of hair. The lid doesn't fit on tightly like a normal bucket lid, which makes it a breeze to empty, but when you turn the vacuum on it seals up nicely. This worked well for me when grinding down a concrete floor. It collected a lot of the fine dust. The Deputy allows you to run the vacuum at optimal performance while not having to change a bag or a filter. At some point you'll still need to change the filter because it will catch small particles over time, but I imagine that it will be a while before I need to do that. Number 4. Oneida Air Systems Cyclone Attachment. Tired of dust overwhelming your workshop? Introducing a powerful solution designed to capture over 99% of debris. It dramatically extends your filter life and reduces maintenance. Experience peak performance with its advanced airflow optimization. The integrated air ramp and neutral vane inlet ensure ultra-high separation efficiency and maintain powerful suction. This attachment is designed for broad compatibility. It easily retrofits 1 HP to 3 HP single-stage dust collectors, adapting to various workshop setups. Get up and running in no time. Its lightweight and compact design, along with included adapters, make for a quick and simple DIY installation. Crafted with quality and durability in mind, this product is proudly made in the USA. Trust in its reliable performance for years to come. What we like. This attachment offers enhanced dust collection efficiency, capturing over 99% of fine dust and large debris to keep your dust collector running optimally. Its advanced airflow optimization ensures powerful suction. If you're looking for a quick and simple DIY setup that retrofits 1 HP to 3 HP single-stage dust collectors and want to maximize performance, this is the one for you. What people say. I'm extremely happy with the build quality. There's no fear of the high pressure collapsing the unit. Beyond that, the performance is actually better than my expectations. It's a direct replacement. My concern was that the Cyclone would create more resistance in the suction, which it does, but the pleated filter more than offsets that with its significantly lower resistance than the OEM filter bag. Net result is that the system works way better than before, and it's no longer subject to clogs due to larger chips from the jointer and planer. Now, every chip enters the barrel and just a minimal amount of dust ends up in the bag. A simple band clamp keeps the Cyclone discharge sealed to the drum lid. The entire unit is suspended from the joists above, so emptying the barrel is quick and easy. The draw at each machine is incredible since the air can exhaust freely through the unrestricted bag. Number 3. Festool CT Cyclone Dust Separator CT VA20. Discover a smarter way to manage dust. This innovative separator captures larger debris before it reaches your filters, significantly reducing replacement frequency. Spend less time and money on consumables. By extending the life of your filter bags and filters, it offers substantial savings on both. Its unique flat Cyclone design minimizes space requirements. It integrates seamlessly into the Festool sustainer system for effortless storage and transport. Ensure compliance with OSHA's Table 1 rule for silica dust. When paired with a HEPA-certified CT dust extractor, it meets all regulatory requirements. This unit is designed for optimal performance with all CT 263648 dust extractors, including those with and without the auto-clean function. Maximize your dust extraction capabilities. It is particularly effective when used with machines and applications that generate high volumes of dust. What we like. This separator is engineered with a unique flat Cyclone design for portability and fits securely within the Festool sustainer system, making storage and transport a breeze. It also offers significant cost savings by reducing filter bag and filter replacements. If you are working on applications with high dust levels, especially silica dust, and need OSHA Table 1 compliance when used with a HEPA-certified CT dust extractor, this is an excellent option. What people say. It very effectively separates almost everything from the airstream. I have not had to change a bag since I installed this, and there has been no loss in suction. It does a superb job at separating the wood chips and dust from the filter bag. It captures probably 95% or more of the sawdust my saws spit out, drastically reducing time spent emptying bags or tossing out reusable bags for those that don't use a lifetime bag. Number 2. Mullet High-Speed Cyclone Dust Collector. Tired of your Shop Vac losing suction? This device pre-separates over 99% of debris, sending clean air to your vacuum. This keeps suction strong and your vac running smoothly. Its parabolic design and seamless construction create a faster airstream. This results in more suction power and better capture efficiency than traditional systems. Forget messy assemblies with bolts and tape. This offers a unified, airtight connection. Your vac filter stays cleaner for longer. Included adapters make it easy to connect to virtually any wet-dry shop vacuum or dust extractor. It's designed to fit them all, regardless of size or color. This innovative dust collector is proudly headquartered and manufactured in Dripping Springs, Texas. What we like. This high-speed Cyclone collector is designed to prevent clogged filters by pre-separating over 99% of debris, ensuring your shop vac maintains strong suction. Its parabolic design and seamless construction create a faster airstream for better capture efficiency. If you are tired of dealing with clogged filters and want a unified, airtight connection that keeps your vac filter cleaner for longer, this is the solution for woodworking, garage, and hobbyist debris extraction. What people say. The unit itself is very solidly built, definitely up for moving and banging around. The connection to the shop vac is solid as well. As a dust collector it works very well. Much better than a bucket. It maintains better suction and separate out the dust very well before it can get into the vacuum. This item performs exactly as advertised. It collects the finest dust and shavings that would be collected by your vacuum cleaner that would normally stop up your vac filter and cause you to lose suction. Number 1. Oneida Air System Super Dust Deputy XL 6-inch. This large Cyclone attachment is designed to capture and remove 99% of fine dust and large debris. It effectively prevents your dust collector's filters from clogging and maintains strong suction. The lightweight and compact design ensures a fast and simple installation process. It includes a gasket and lid mounting hardware for your convenience. It works with almost any 3 to 5 HP dust collector, including popular brands like Delta, Grizzly, and Jet. Its adaptable design makes it a versatile addition to your workshop. By prolonging the life of your filters and preventing suction loss, this tool significantly reduces the need for frequent cleanings and replacements. It's a smart investment for any DIYer. Constructed from static dissipative, industrial plastic, it safely manages static charge buildup and resists abrasions. This user-friendly design prioritizes both safety and longevity. What we like. This X-Large DIY Cyclone attachment captures and removes 99% of fine dust and large debris, effectively eliminating clogged filters and suction loss for your dust collector. Its static dissipative construction safely conveys static charge buildup. If you have a 3 to 5 HP dust collector and are looking for a lightweight, compact, and user-friendly design that simplifies installation and prolongs filter life, this is a superb choice. What people say. My old Harbor Freight collector pulls more dust and is quieter than ever. Easy to install, too, everything you need except for a container. Keeps your fine filter clean, which keeps the air flowing better for longer. Works very good, no dust getting past this Cyclone. Have a 6-inch line hooked up to it. It works amazingly well, especially if you keep to the 5 flexible hose and put the 4-5 adapter at the machine side. To test it, I wore a black shirt and took a 1-dado cut on a table saw and couldn't see any dust at all on me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.